Hi, hey everybody, Joshua Crossman here, owner of PTL Hardwood Floors. Taking a break from staining the floor, gotta wait for that to dry. So I thought I'd talk about pricing here. How much does it cost to have my hardwood flooring done? Popular question on Google, question that everybody wants to know. So let's see if I can answer that for you. So a couple things, couple different options for you. So let's say I'll give you some basic numbers. We don't typically charge by square foot exactly, but it is kind of a rule of thumb you can use if you just try and get a ballpark of what it'll cost to get it done. I'll give you some of those numbers. So let's say you just need a floor refinish. You have an existing hardwood floor, but it's pretty beat up, scratched up, wore out. The finish is worn off. You just need it sanded to raw wood again and stained and finished. So that typically goes anywhere from about $4.50 a square foot on up to about $7, $8 a square foot. Depends on the location of the home, the layout, what condition the finish is in. You know, if it's something old, varnished, and it's gummy, or if it's a pre-finished floor, a lot of those takes a little extra work, a little more sandpaper to get those cleaned up. So that adds to the cost. You know, what stain selection, we do some stain that we can give you some pretty trick looking techniques, some textures to the floor. So that, you know, all adds to the cost. Or if it's just a basic, come here, sand it, clean it up, put it down, coat of finish to clear, we do that as well. So about $4.50 to $8, it typically lands somewhere in there. Now let's say you want a whole new floor installed, new wood flooring. You know, maybe you have carpet down, you want that tore out and put the wood flooring instead. So we come in there, we tear the carpet out, we haul that off, we dispose of that. We take off your baseboards, install the floor, sand it, stain it to the color you want, apply the finish. We have several different finish options you can read about on our website, see which one you like, and then reset the baseboards and you get back moved in. So typically something like that, it's going to be a few more dollars. Now you're looking at about $15 to $20 a square foot on average. And that's, like I said, again, that's just rough numbers. If you want a little more precision to that, you want to nail those numbers down, we do give free estimates, but it's not what you may be used to. We don't just run out to your home. We're a small company. We're busy. You're busy. We don't want to waste your time. So what we ask is that you just send us an email, ptlhardwoods@gmail.com. Give us some detail about your project. You know, what are you looking to have done? Send us a few pictures. If you can give us some measurements, that would be super helpful. And I can get you a pretty accurate price based on that. I've been doing this for 20 years. I have a good idea of what it takes to get a floor done based on a couple of pictures. I can tell a lot. I've seen a lot. So I've tried to come up with a system or process that makes it easy for everybody involved. And so if you send that email in, you know, we'll probably have a conversation. I might need some answer, you know, a few more questions, get you a price. If that sounds good, if you like what you see, and you say, yeah, let's do it, we'll get you scheduled, we'll get a deposit, we'll confirm the numbers, you know, we'll make an on-site visit and consultation and make sure everything is as we think it is, make sure we're on the same page, and then we'll go over color selection and get that floor done for you. So hopefully that helps in your planning for getting your hardwood flooring done. Have a great day.